for your malaria. Okay, for your malaria morphology. Okay, so since di pa kayo nakapag-discuss, you have your trophozoid, Gison, and gamete stage in your malaria. Okay, so for your trophozoid, you have young trophozoid, growing trophozoid, and mature trophozoid. And then for your Gison, you also have young Gison, growing Gison, and mature Gison. And then for your gametocyte, you have your micro and your macro gametocyte. Okay? Okay, so since this is your sexual reproduction, this is your schizophrenia. Tama ba? Tama. Schizophrenia. Kasi schizophrenia ka siya. Iilito ko lang tayo. Okay, so once it's mature schizon, it produces merozoites, and these merozoites invade your RBC. So, actually, the life cycle will be discussed more in your lecture. Again, what we need to know here is the morphology of your malaria. Okay. So, in summary, these are the forms of your malaria or your plasmodia. So you have your Plasmodium falciparum, Vivax, malariae, and your ovale. So you have your ring stage, your thrombocyte stage, your Gison stage, and your gametocyte stage. Okay. For your Plasmodium vivax, young thrombozoid, so your Plasmodium vivax young thrombozoid is in your RBC, normal size RBC. You can see a single red color chromatin dot, and the cytoplasm has a ring form. So you can see the chromatin dot with the red arrow and the cytoplasm with the blue arrow. So that is your Plasmodium vivax young thrombozoid ring form. Okay, for the growing thrombozoid, you can see that the cell or the RBC can be slightly larger than the normal sized RBC. So, again, you note there na ito yung normal RBC, ito yung infected RBC with your plasmodia. So, it is slightly larger. And you have again your chromatin dot and a loose or amoeboid cytoplasm. So you can see here, ito yun. Okay? It can have stipplings, no? But sometimes hindi talaga siya kita-kita. But you just have to know that the stipplings for your vivax is your Schaffner's dots. So, during my time, I remembered it as Vilma Santos. Para hindi ako magka-mali. Vivax, Schaffner. Okay? Pag Vivax, ang dots niya ay Schaffner's dots because all of this plasmodia has specific dots. Okay? Or what you call stipplings. No? So, in particular, you call the stipplings of your Plasmodium vivax Schaffner's dots. Okay? So, for the Plasmodium vivax young Gison, significantly enlarged na yung RBC. So, that is one clue that this is vivax because this infected RBC is larger than your normal RBC. Okay? And it can have two chromatin dots, no? So you can see here, dalawang chromatin dot. And the cytoplasm is loose or amoeboid. So, ayun din siya, loose or amoeboid cytoplasm. Again, it can have your Schaffner's dots on the cell membrane. For the growing schizon, so since it's a schizon already, meaning mas malaki na ulit talaga siya dun sa RBC, as you can see the size here. And it can have 3 to 11 chromatin dots. So 1, 2, marami siyang chromatin dot na nakikita. And still, the cytoplasm is amyloid or bluish in color. So dapat matuto kayo magbilang ng mga dots, no? So for the mature schizon, it has 12 to 24 reddish-violet haphazardly distributed chromatin dots. So again, this is the normal size RBC, and this is the RBC with mature schizon inside it. So mas malaki siya than the normal RBC. Okay. For the macrogametocyte of your Plasmodium vivax, you have a compact oval mass or irregularly shaped chromatin and amoeboid cytoplasm pa din. So the fine granules can be seen in reed-like structure near the periphery of the parasite. So this is ito yung mga yun. So but most importantly, macro and microgametocyte sa Plasmodium falciparum mas kita ninyo under the microscope later on. Okay, so again, in one of the clues that you can have for your Plasmodium vivax is it has larger RBCs than the normal RBC. Yung size niya, mas malaki. So pag mas malaki, mukha siya mas malaki, most likely vivax yun. Okay? For Plasmodium malariae, what you just have to note is the growing trophozoid. It has single chromatin dot, but diagnostic band form of the cytoplasm. So, yun yung inyong dapat tandaan. So, it has a ribbon-like diagnostic band form of the cytoplasm. So, this is the chromatin and this is the band form of your Plasmodium malariae. And the stipplings that it has is your Zeeman's dots. So that is your Manila Zoo. Do you understand why I say that? Para hindi kayo malito nung simula ako hanggang ngayon, never ako nagkamali sa stippling dahil kay Vilma Santos at sa Manila Zoo. Nag-gets nyo ba? Vivax, Schaffner's, malariae, Zeeman's. Okay? Pag may aaral kayo, dapat gumagawa kayo ng mga ganun para hindi nyo nakakalimutan. Kahit magbalik-balik tayo yan, hindi kayo magkakamali. Okay. For the young schizon of your malariae, again, you have 2 chromatin dots, and then the cytoplasm has deep blue compact cytoplasm with 2 chromatin dots. Again, the stipplings are your Zeeman's dots. So, for your mature schizon, so pag nakalagay na diagnostic, ibig sabihin, must know nyo yan, ha? For your Plasmodium malariae mature schizon, you have a daisy head or Margaret pattern. Ibig sabihin, paikot siya. So, 6 to 12 chromatin dots can be seen, and this is in rosette or daisy head form. Parang siyang bulaklak, parang gano'n. Kasi paikot yung arrangement ng chromatin dots niya. So that is for your Plasmodium malariae. For the macrogametocyte, it has a chromatin spherical mass, but it may be irregular and is seen at the periphery. So this is your chromatin for your Plasmodium malariae macrogametocyte. If you can see, hindi masyadong lumaki, no? Same lang yung size ng RBC niya if you compare it. That is for your Plasmodium malariae. Next is your Plasmodium falciparum. So this one, I think if you discuss it in the lecture, it has a lot of complications, no? And I think this has the severe form of your malaria, and I think commonly seen, no? So your Plasmodium falciparum, young trophozoite, it has pleomorphic forms, no? So what you need to remember is it may look like a semicolon, exclamation mark, iba-iba yung shape na pwede ninyong makita, okay? And in one cell or in one RBC, you can see more than one parasite because this is associated with multiple infection. So that is why hindi kaya severe formation ng malaria, because you can have multiple infection in a single RBC. Again, you remember pleomorphic forms. If you look at it under the microscope, marami kayo nakita iba-ibang shape, Plasmodium falciparum yun. Okay? For the microgametocyte, so this has just yung micro and macro, you can differentiate in your Plasmodium falciparum. So for your microgametocyte has diffuse chromatin. So it has a diffuse chromatin, and the cytoplasm is pinkish blue or deep violet red in color. Okay. In comparison with your macrogametocyte, which has a compact, this one, compact reddish mass at the center, which is your chromatin dot. Okay. The pigments, it has large granules, and what is associated with your Plasmodium falciparum is your Morer's dots. I think you will be discussing this in lecture, but it's nice to know para alam nyo si Vilma Santos, Manila Zoo, and for your falciparum is Ferdinand Marcos. Falciparum, Morer's dots. Okay? Pag nagkamali pa kayo, hindi ko na alam. Okay? Again, Vivax, you have your Schaffner's dots. For your malariae, Zeeman's dots, kasi Manila Zoo nga siya. Okay? For your falciparum, you have your Morer's dots, kasi Ferdinand Marcos, FN. Okay. So, in your malaria, you have your thick and thin malarial smear. For your thick malarial smear, you can see the pleomorphic young trophozoites because of the different forms that you see in the RBCs. And also you can view the gametocytes. Now the gametocytes, again, yung shape kanina, yung parang elongated shape. You can have your macrogametocyte, which has a compact nucleus, and then your microgametocyte, which has a diffuse one. Okay? Okay, so that's it. So may isa pa, yung ovale, it's almost the same as your Vivax kasi parang lumalaki rin yung RBCs. The infected RBCs of your Plasmodium ovale also has a larger size than the normal RBC. And for your ovale, you have your Jane's dots or orange juice. Okay? So again, for your Vivax, you have your Schaffner's dots, Ilma-Santos. For your Malarkey, you have Manila Zoo. You have your Zeeman's dots. For your Paliparan, you have your Morer's dot, which is Ferdinand Marcos for memory purposes. And your Ovalic has your James dots or orange hues. Okay. Okay. So, yan yung ating demo today. So, you can look at it. So, we just be familiar with what is diagnosis